Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn a photo into a cartoon in Canva. All right, let's begin. First, open Canva and go to the Upload section. Drag in the photo you want to turn into a cartoon. Now I will show you two different methods to achieve this. For the first method, select your image and go to Apps in the bottom left corner. Search for Cartoonify and click on it. The tool will scan your image and automatically apply the cartoon effect. Once done, your image will be transformed into a cartoon version. For the second method, upload the same image again. Go to Apps and search for Animeify. Click on the app, select your image, and then generate your image. This will apply a different cartoon effect to your photo. Both methods provide unique results, so you can choose the style that works best for you. The best part is that both options are completely free to use in Canva. So that's basically how you can turn a photo into a cartoon in Canva. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.